तो देखिए ये है हमारा चैप्टर 10 बॉडी मूवमेंट्स। तो चलिए अब हम इसको एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट डिड यू, ये टाइम टू आंसर है इधर। देखिए द बैकबोन प्रोटेक्ट्स द डैश। तो क्या प्रोटेक्ट करती है वो? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। ये हमको दिया है पीछे इधर। द बैकबोन, ये है ना बैकबोन और स्पाइन। द बैकबोन प्रोटेक्ट्स द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड। द बैकबोन हेल्प्स you to bend, turn and twist. Okay, so next is here. The upper part or the thigh is called dash, femur. ये इधर है femur, thigh bone. इधर लिखा है ना femur, thigh bone. Next, the dash is the only movable part of the skull. ये हमको दिया है पीछे इधर, ये skull लिखा है इधर। Dash is the head is the only structure that is made up of 22 bones, 8 flat bones made up of the brain box or cranium, and 14 bones from the face. All bones of the skull are fixed. The only movable part is the lower jaw that enables you to speak and chew food. Okay? चलिए तो वापस आ जाते हैं। The dash forms red blood cells. तो ब्लड की बात हो रही है, तो ब्लड किसके अंदर रहता है? सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में ना। तो इधर आएगा सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम। The lower leg has 2 bones called dash and dash, tibia and fibia. ये इधर है tibia and fibia. So next time to answer here. Gliding joint is present in the shoulder. No, it's between the bones of the ankle and wrist. Only one muscle is required to bring out the movement of a bone of a joint, of a bone at a joint. No, it's also false. Bones are held together by ligaments at joints. No. Slightly movable joint is present between the ribs and breastbone. No. Muscles push bones to move them. Yes. So next is, now there is no time to answer, so we will directly turn to the exercises. This is the exercises and the main part. The only movable part of the skull is upper jaw, lower jaw, face bones, or all of these. Its answer is lower jaw. ये हमने आपको बता दिया था टाइम टू आंसर के अंदर। Floating ribs are dash. The first 2 pairs of ribs, the last 2 pairs of ribs, the 4th and 5th pairs of ribs, or none of these. Its answer is the last 2 pairs of ribs. ये हमको मिलेगा पीछे इधर। ये ribs है इधर। Ribs are present in the chest region. The ribs are thin, flat, curved bones that join the chest bone and backbone to form a protective cage around the heart and lung. This is called rib cage. The ribs consist of 24 bones, 12 pairs. All of 12 pairs of ribs are joined to the backbone at the back. The long flat T-shaped bony plate located at the center of chest is called sternum or breathstone. The first 7 sets of ribs are directly attached to the sternum and called ribs, and other 5 sets which are not directly attached to the sternum are called false ribs. The last 2 pairs of ribs that are not attached to the sternum are called floating ribs. ये floating ribs वाला है हमारा क्वेश्चन का आंसर। So next is the longest bone in the human body. is नहीं, अभी ये थोड़ी करना है, अभी तो करना है C. Which of the following bone is present in the forelimb? कौन सी बोन होती है? Humerus. So next is D, the longest bone in the human body. What is this? Femur. The number of bones that form an adult skeleton are 210, 300, 206 or 250. Give your answer in the comment box. 206. Pectoral grid is present on the upper side of dash. Arms, legs, backbone or neck. Arms. Bristles are present on the underside of the body of cockroach, snail, snake or earthworm. Movement of bones is brought by the construction of relaxation or contraction is. Movement of bones is brought by contraction and relaxation of. Give your answer in the comment box. I am giving 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. The correct answer is muscles. The number of bones in the skull are 22. Hinge joint allows movement in one direction, two direction, all direction, or depends on its location. One direction. Understand and fill in the blanks. Knee, hinge joint, shoulder, ball and socket joint. Neck, pivot joint, wrist, gliding joint. Snake, loops, and snail, muscular foot. Ribcage have 24 bones and backbone have 33 bones. Skull protects the brain and dash protects the spinal cord. Vertebra. Plants show dash like animals but do not show dash. Movement like animals but do not show locomotion. The skull is made up of dash bones, 22. The small bones of the backbone are called dash, vertebra. Legs are joined to the spine by the pelvic joint. Pelvic joint nahi, pelvic girdle. Arms are joined to the spine by pectoral joint. Dash is the basic structural functional unit of life. Cell. The dash system transport nutrients to all the body. ये आपको मिलेगा पीछे एक टेबल दिया हुआ है उसके अंदर. Muscular foot of the snail produces a slimy substance called mucus. Fishes have a dash backbone, flexible. The dash protects the heart. Who protects? Ribs. Next question. Wow, this is so interesting chapter, no? Yes. The soft elastic tissue present between the bones at joints is cartilage. The framework of bones that forms a body is dash, skeleton. Strong fibers that join bones to muscles is tendons. The shape of the body of fish and bird is streamlined. The skeleton present inside the body of animals is endoskeleton. It moves with the help of its muscular foot. What is it? Snail. It moves by alternate extension and contraction of body muscles. It is earthworm. It swims in water by twisting the body alternative on both sides. Who swims in water? Fish. It flies with the help of forelimbs that are modified to wings. Who flies? Birds. It walks with the help of 3 pairs joint. It's cockroach. ये डायग्राम मैं आपको होमवर्क देता हूँ, इसके पिक्चर्स आप हमको शेयर कर लेना। चलो नहीं देता हूँ मैं होमवर्क, बता ही देता हूँ, कहीं गलत हो गया तो। दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड स्कल, दिस इज कॉलर बोन। इधर कॉलर होती है ना हमारी टी शर्ट की, इसलिए। नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज दिस इज कॉल्ड रिब केज एंड ऑल्सो कॉल्ड रिब्स। दिस इज बैकबोन, ये पीछे आपको दिख रही है बोन, उसको कहते हैं बैकबोन। उसके अंदर क्या होता है? वर्टेब्रा। दिस इज कॉल्ड हिप बोन। दिस इज कॉल्ड femur, the longest bone, the human body, and this is joint. So bye bye guys, फिर मिलेंगे, जब तक के लिए टाटा। अगर आपको ऐसी और वीडियोस चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन तो ज़रूर ही क्लिक कीजिएगा। फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ, जब तक के लिए बाय बाय।